Obesity is a worldwide problem with millions of people at risk because they are seriously overweight. Erica Tarantel says a company hatched at Harvard Medical School says it might have a simple solution.
Inside the Natick headquarters of Allurion Technologies, this small balloon could lead the way to a giant breakthrough in fighting obesity.
It took years and a lot of creative ideas that just ended up not working, but we finally found one that worked.
It all started in 2009 when Shantanu Gore and Sammy Levy were students at Harvard Medical School.
There's 2 billion people around the world who are overweight or obese. By 2030, half of the world's population will be overweight or obese. The products and the therapies that are out there currently just aren't scalable. They require surgery, they require endoscopy, or they're too expensive.
So what could take the place of drastic interventions like gastric bypass surgery? Gore and Levy co-founded Allurion, hired a staff of engineers, and created the Ellipse balloon.
So we like to say this is something that you can do on a lunch break. You go to the doctor's office, it's about a 15-minute office visit.
Patients swallow this capsule containing the balloon, which is attached to a very thin tube.
The balloon is then filled through a tube with a bag of fluid that we provide and a small pressure cuff that goes around it. When you're done filling, you have about 2.5 cups of water or filling fluid inside this balloon sitting in your stomach. With a gentle tug, the tube comes out and you're ready to go home.
The balloon makes people feel full.
The balloon puts the brakes on your stomach. People often comment on how quickly they learn portion control.
There are no dietary restrictions once the balloon is in place. It stays in the stomach for 4 months before dissolving and passing through the body. A smartphone app helps track weight loss and relay data to a physician.
It can be done by almost any type of physician in almost any type of healthcare setting around the world.
We had done our first in human trial.
Allurion received approval for the Ellipse balloon in Europe and the Middle East, launching commercially in 2016. Here in the U.S., Allurion just began a 400-patient study for FDA approval. Dr. Yanis Raftopoulos is a bariatric surgeon and director of the weight management program at Holyoke Medical Center.
I was fortunate to be one of the 2 physicians that we ran the European trial. The trial has been published in 2 peer-reviewed medical journals, and we had several scientific presentations with that.
Dr. Raftopoulos has done the procedure more than 50 times and is hopeful for a successful outcome with the U.S. trial.
The findings in Europe were, first of all, that the device is safe. Haven't had experienced any significant complications or severe side effects during the trial, and that really made me very comfortable using the device.
Now we are live in 11 countries. We've treated over 4,000 people with the product, and we've done multiple clinical trials. All of those clinical trials point us towards an average weight loss of between 10 and 15% of total body weight, which for a 100-kilogram individual or 200-pound person leads to 30 to 40 pounds of weight loss.
I don't think there's anything else in the field so simple but yet effective with the least amount of invasiveness that can possibly be. I think there's a great potential to that.
And as for any side effects from having the balloon inflated inside the stomach, Shantanu says that in Europe and the Middle East, patients felt mild discomfort in the first couple of days until the stomach became adjusted to the balloon. Well, that is Chronicle for tonight. Thanks very much for joining us. I'm Anthony Everett. Have a good evening. Hope to see you back here tomorrow night.